Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to explore Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max, the AI powerhouse making waves in the race against DeepSeek and even casting a shadow on OpenAI. In this video, we will break down how Qwen 2.5 Max is revolutionizing AI with its massive capabilities, benchmark results, and potential impact on the global AI landscape. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, developer, or just curious about the next big leap in machine learning, stick around as we explore how Alibaba is shaping the future of AI innovation. Let's get started. To use this tool, you will have to go to the website, that is chat.qwenlm.ai. You can create your own account and you can also log into by using your Google account. So once you have logged in, you will see this drop-down list. From here, you can select different models. Qwen 2.5 Max is the most powerful language model in the Qwen series. So I will select this one. Now you will see some more features here, such as artifacts, web search, image generation, video generation. Even you can do coding, make a plan, or analyze images, summarize text, get an advice. Even you can brainstorm anything by using this tool. So one by one, we will use all the features here. First of all, we will create an artifact. Click on artifact and give your prompt here. Now click enter. As you can see, it is writing a code to create your artifact. Now you can use this code to use this artifact anywhere on your website as well. So it is done with writing the code, and here is your artifact. It has added the animation effects in the artifact as well. Even you can do edits in this coding by giving your instructions here. If you want to change the color, font style, animation style, then you can give your instructions. And Qwen 2.5 will modify the code for you. So this feature is amazing. Now let's try another feature. Start new chat. So the web search feature is not available right now and hope to get it in the coming future. Now let's try image generation. Click on image generation. You can select the aspect ratio from here. Now I will give a prompt here. You can also use the pre-written prompts from this list by clicking on Use Prompt. Just wait for a while and it will generate an AI-powered image for you within a minute of seconds. So that's awesome. It has created a high-resolution image for you based on your prompt. It's amazing that you can create images in the free version of this tool, and you can also download them from here. Let's try the another feature, video generation. Click on video generation. Select the video dimensions from the drop-down list. You can also select the prompt by clicking on the Use Prompt from these examples. If you want to write your own prompt, then write the prompt in this box and click on Enter. Just wait for a while and check what it has created for you. So as you can see, it has created the video here. You can increase the video size from here, and it has created this video free of cost without purchasing any premium plan. So this is amazing. So this tool has left behind ChatGPT and DeepSeek in this feature of video creation. You can download it from here. Let's try more features, like you can make a plan as well. Click here. You can select the plans from this drop-down list, like help me with a plan to improve my time management, for a family vacation, to start a business, for saving money, or for a successful interview. So let's click on to start a business, or you can write your own prompt as well. Let's see what is suggested. So it has given a detailed business plan for you, such as self-assessment, market research, develop a business plan, legal structure and registration, build your brand, secure funding, set up operations, launch and market your business, and then monitor and adapt. Even it has given a timeline for you. So it can be very helpful if you want to start a business and create a plan. It has so many advanced features that you can use here. Even you can analyze the images. To use this option, you need to select the another model, that is Qwen 2.5 VL72B Instruct. Upload the image and click enter. It has described the image. The image shows an older man with white hair and a white beard. He is wearing a light-colored button-up shirt. The background features a geometric structure with white beams, possibly part of a building or architectural design. The man appears to be looking off to the side, and there are no other people or activities visible in the image. So it is a very modern and advanced model that you can use to create advanced level of images, videos, and anything without using its premium plan. And that wraps up our tutorial. Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max, the AI powerhouse that's redefining the game. As we have seen, Qwen 2.5 Max not only matches but in many areas surpasses DeepSeek and even challenges ChatGPT with its enhanced reasoning, multilingual capabilities, and massive dataset efficiency. Its ability to process complex queries faster, generate more accurate responses, and outperform benchmarks makes it a serious contender in the AI space. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, this is one model you will want to keep an eye on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.